Did you know that many people are earning money even while they sleep? That's the power of passive income. In 2026, building multiple income streams is becoming more important than ever. But the good news is, you don't need a lot of money or experience to start. In this video, we will explore 10 simple and realistic passive income ideas for beginners that can help you build financial freedom over time. Hi everyone, welcome to Richer Guide. If you want practical money advice in simple language, you're in the right place. Let's start building wealth the smart way. Passive income is money you earn with little ongoing effort after the initial work is done. Unlike a traditional job where you trade time for money, passive income allows your money or work to keep generating income in the background. For example, you may create a blog post today, and it can continue to earn money for years. Or you may invest in stocks that pay regular dividends. Passive income is not about getting rich quickly. It's about building smart systems that generate income over time. The first passive income idea is starting a blog. Blogging remains one of the most powerful online income sources. You can create a blog about topics like personal finance, technology, health, travel, or even your hobbies. Once your blog starts getting visitors, you can earn money through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and digital products. Many bloggers build a strong passive income by creating helpful content that attracts readers from search engines. The second idea is creating a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the biggest platforms for building passive income. Once your videos are uploaded, they can continue to generate views and income for years. Popular content ideas include educational videos, finance tips, product reviews, motivational videos, tutorials. Many creators also run faceless channels where they use voiceovers, stock footage, and animations instead of appearing on camera. Another powerful passive income idea is dividend investing. Some companies share their profits with investors in the form of dividends. When you own shares of these companies, you receive regular payments. Over time, these payments can become a steady source of income. Many investors reinvest their dividends to grow their wealth even faster. Index funds are one of the easiest ways for beginners to start investing. Instead of buying a single stock, index funds allow you to invest in many companies at once. This reduces risk and helps create steady long-term growth. Many financial experts recommend index funds for beginners because they are simple, low-cost, and diversified. Digital products are becoming one of the fastest-growing passive income sources. These products are created once and sold many times. Examples include ebooks, budget planners, templates, online guides. Once your product is created, people can purchase and download it automatically. This means you can earn income without managing inventory or shipping. Affiliate marketing is another simple passive income strategy. It works by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale. You can share affiliate links on blogs, YouTube videos, social media, email newsletters. When someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. If you have a skill that others want to learn, you can create an online course. Courses can be about digital marketing, photography, graphic design, investing basics, software skills. Once your course is published, students can enroll anytime. This allows your knowledge to generate income for years. Renting out property can also provide steady passive income. If you have an extra room, apartment, or house, renting it can generate regular monthly cash flow. Many people use short-term rental platforms or long-term tenants to earn income from real estate. Print on demand is a popular online business model. You create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, hoodies. When someone orders the product, the supplier prints and ships it. You earn profit without managing inventory. A high-yield savings account is one of the safest passive income options. Banks pay interest on the money you keep in your account. While returns may not be extremely high, it is a stable and low-risk way to grow your savings. Passive income is not about getting rich overnight. It is about building smart income systems step by step. Whether you choose blogging, investing, digital products, or affiliate marketing, the key is to start today. Over time, these income streams can grow and help you achieve financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos about saving, investing, and building wealth. You can also read the full article on my website. Link is in the description. Start building your passive income journey today. Thanks for watching.